Free woodworking plans at myoutdoorplans.com.
Hello, I'm Avidu from myoutdoorplans.com. Welcome back to the channel. For today's project we are going to make a 6-foot tall shed. Building a 6x8 short gable shed is a great way to add functional storage to your backyard while keeping construction simple and cost-effective. This shed is designed with a low 6-foot height, making it ideal for storing tools, firewood, and outdoor equipment without the need for excessive materials or complex framing. In this tutorial, we will walk through the step-by-step process of building the shed, from laying the foundation to installing the roof and door. Start by building the floor frame using 2x6 lumber for the joists. Cut the components to size and lay them out on a level surface. Space the joists 16 inches on center to provide adequate support for the floor. Drill pilot holes through the rim joists and secure them to the perpendicular joists with 3.5-inch screws. Once assembled, measure the diagonals to ensure the frame is square. To protect the floor from moisture, place a layer of gravel underneath the frame for proper drainage. Next, attach 3/4-inch plywood sheets to the floor frame. Align the edges flush with the frame and secure them with 1 5/8-inch screws, spaced every 8 inches along the joists. This will create a sturdy and durable floor surface for the shed. Assemble the wall frames using 2x4 lumber. Cut the components to size according to the plans, and space the studs 24 inches on center to keep costs down. If you live in an area with strong winds, consider reducing the spacing to 16 inches on center for added strength. Drill pilot holes through the top and bottom plates, then secure the studs with 3.5-inch screws. Double studs at the ends of each wall provide additional support, with 1/2-inch plywood spacers placed between them. Lift the wall frames onto the floor, starting with the sides. Align the bottom plates with the edges of the floor frame and secure them with screws after checking that they are plumb using a spirit level. Install temporary braces to hold the walls in place while you secure the front and back wall frames. Drill pilot holes through the bottom plates and attach the frames with 3.5-inch screws. Construct the gable roof by cutting 2x4 rafters to size, including bird's mouth cuts for a snug fit on the top plates. Attach the rafters to the ridge beam and side walls, spacing them 24 inches on center. Secure them with 4.5-inch screws. Install 1/2-inch plywood roof panels, securing them to the rafters with 1 5/8-inch screws every 8 inches. Attach 1x4 trims to the corners, sides, and roof edges of the shed for a finished look and added protection. Secure the trims with 2-inch finish nails, ensuring they are flush with the structure. Install T1-11 siding panels on all walls, securing them with 6-8D nails spaced every 8 inches. Finally, build the door frame from 2x4 lumber, securing the joints with pocket screws. Attach the door panel with 1 5/8-inch screws and hang the door using heavy-duty hinges. Add a latch for security, and apply exterior paint or stain to protect the shed from the elements. With these steps completed, your 6x8 short gable shed is ready for use. You can find the full plans, complete with detailed diagrams, cut lists, and shopping lists, on my blog at myoutdoorplans.com. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other project videos on the channel for more DIY inspiration. Until next time, build your outdoor world.